You have spent an hour perfecting your photo. You go to File, Save As, and bam, you are a hit with this, and your photo will look blurry and terrible on Instagram. It's confusing, but it doesn't have to be. By the end of this short video, you will know exactly which file type to use every single time. Let's get it. Think of JPG as the photographer's best friend. It's a superpower. It's keeping file size small while maintaining decent quality. This makes it perfect for the web. When to use it? Sharing photos on a social media, uploading to websites, or sending images via email. JPG is your go-to. But here is the catch. It uses lossy compression. That means every time you save a JPG, you lose a tiny bit of quality. So it's great for final output, but not ideal if you need to edit the same file repeatedly. Next, talk about the designer's favorite, PNG. PNG is a superpower, is a transparency. Unlike JPG where backgrounds are always solid, PNG lets you remove backgrounds completely. This is why logos, icon and text overlays are almost always PNG files. In terms of quality, PNG uses lossless compression, meaning you can save it as many times as you want without losing any quality. The trade-off, file size are larger than JPG. Best use case, web graphics, logos and any digital design where you need the transparent background. Now we have GIF, the king of internet culture. Everyone knows the GIF from memes, reaction and social media. GIF's special ability is supporting animation, perfect for those short looping videos. But there is a limitation. GIF only supports 256 colors. So why it's not ideal for the high definition photography? It's absolutely perfect for a simple animation, banners, and yes, those internet memes we all love. If you are not a professional painting, meet TIP. TIP is the heavyweight champion of image quality. It uses zero compression, which means absolutely no quality loss. We need to use it magazines, billboards, professional archiving, anywhere you need maximum quality. The downside, file size are massive. TIFF can preserve layer, but it will eat up your hard drive space fast. And finally, the most important format, PSD. This is the Photoshop's native language. A PSD file saves everything. Your layers, mask, text, effects, the whole project. Here is the golden rule. Always save your project as a PSD. This lets you come back months later and edit any specific layer. You can't do that with a JPG. Best uses your working master file, the source from which you will export all other formats. How do you actually choose these formats? Let me show you on a screen. There are two main methods. Method 1, go to File, Save As or save a copy. In the drop down menu, select PSD if you want to keep your layer or for a print quality. Method 2, for web format, I recommend go to File, Export and Export As. Here you can easily switch between PNG, JPG, GIF. You can adjust the quality slider and see the file size updated in real time. Let's recap the essential rules. PSD, your working master file, always save this. JPG, social media and web photos. PNG, logos and transparent backgrounds. TIFF, professional printing. GIF, animation and memes. Understanding these file formats will be elevate every single project you create. No more quality loss, no more missing background. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to PixelPro for more practical Photoshop tips that will level up your workflow. So keep creating and I'll see you in the next one.